There are always opportunities in the stock market, and when things are humming along and stocks are at all-time highs, people want to jump on the bandwagon and they think they're just going to keep going higher. Also, when the stock market's down at the same time, people want to be out of the market. However, stocks, they move up and down. News, huh? Human nature makes it very difficult for us to jump in and buy a stock and go long after it's been beaten down. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with Coinbase. We're going to show how to sell a put credit spread and collect monthly income in Coinbase as the stock price moves up over the next year. Guys, we've got a great video for you here today. If you appreciate the time and effort that goes into making these videos, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. Also, be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. There's also a paid course as well. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Use the link below and open an account with Moomoo. You can get 8.1% on uninvested cash and free stocks. You also get the free charting software that's great, and I use it every day. It's a zero commission online platform brokerage. All right, guys, so why is Coinbase one of my favorite stocks right now? Well, look at the price, 169. If we look at the 5-year chart, it's been down. I love the CEO as well, but the PE ratio, because it's down, it's 29. It's reasonable for a growth stock like this. Look at the 1-year target that Yahoo Finance has, 259. So 100 points higher than where it is right now. That's huge. And you can see where it was at. High in the 52-week range is 283. So it was way up. Back here it was at 319. Wow, in 2021. So I think Coinbase is got huge potential moving forward, and it's down right now. So that's why I'm looking to get in, and I'm a believer in crypto as well. So why is Coinbase stock falling? And this was October 1st, and so just a few days ago, or was it yesterday? Shares of cryptocurrency Coinbase fell 8.3% in the morning session as major indices declined. So everything was down. And there's geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. So we know that. And often the stock market overreacts to big news. So, that's what we're going to take advantage of right here. And the previous big move was 12 days ago, and the stock gained 6.5%. So this is a volatile stock. It moves up and down. It moved up quickly when the Fed had the interest rate cut. So, investors are so fickle with this. So there's a lot of back and forth, but, interest rate cuts are going to continue to come as well. And a stock's driver is the value. It's the sum of its future cash flows discounted back to today. So the result of lowering interest rate is basically, it translates to higher stock valuations. And this is true for high growth stocks and technology. So it is up 4.9% since the beginning of the year at 164. We'll look at what it's at today here shortly. But it's still trading way below its 52-week high. And Coinbase executives hope for better cryptocurrency regulations after the election. So we know the election's coming. I know Trump is a big supporter of crypto. Harris, I think crypto is going to stay no matter who wins the White House. There's a conference in New York City, and Shan Agarwal, the VP of Corporate and Business Development for Coin, touched on the industry's regulatory uncertainties. So the Fed, the SEC, Gary Gensler, he's been, really enforcing regulations and against it. So he's been a tough cookie on this. But, going forward, Coinbase acts as a bridge between traditional finance and crypto that touches different customer segments, including retail customers, institutions, and businesses. So again, I'm a big believer Coinbase is here to stay. And again, we're using a put credit spread, you'll see, And if it does move down, we're protected because we've got a protective put that we're going to buy as well. But I'm confident that we can make monthly income in this. So here's another reason that Coinbase is set to move higher, I think, and it could really help it, is it's this how Coinbase's new innovation could boost Bitcoin's long-term value by billions. And if Bitcoin goes up, believe it, Coinbase goes up as well. So it's the launch of this CBBTC, and they're saying it's a game changer for Bitcoin and its holders. And I'm not going to dig too deep into this, but just to give you an idea, what is it? What is CBBTC? Can't even say it. Bitcoin can be compared to an old-fashioned telephone, highly reliable but limited in functionality. I remember those telephones. In contrast, newer cryptocurrencies function more like smartphones, letting users engage with a wide range of innovative applications across the DeFi economy. So it's just a better phone. By creating CBBTC, Coinbase lets users leverage Bitcoin in DeFi, and it's fully backed by Bitcoin. So it makes it more tradable, more usable. It's a token that represents Bitcoin one-to-one. It sets it apart from other attempts at a DeFi-capable Bitcoin like WBTC or Stacks at its ease of use. So Coinbase offers a simple, seamless process in which Bitcoin holders can convert their BTC into CBBTC, and they can do it on the platform. So that, again, just allows people to trade back and forth. And we're only at the beginning of the revolution, but the trajectory is clear. Bitcoin's integration into DeFi is inevitable. So it's going to happen. All right, guys, so let's go to, let's punch in coin, ticker symbol COIN on the Tastytrade platform. And we're going to be on the trade page right here. I've got a link down below for Tastytrade as well as Moomoo. Check those out. Free stock at Moomoo, and Tastytrade has some offers as well, but use the links below, please. And if we punch in coin, COIN, and then we're on the trade page, we can see the option chains here. Now, I like to trade between 30 and, actually closest to 45 days to expiration. So that would put us right here, 44 days at the November 15th. So I'm going to click on that to open up this chain. Click on that, it opens up. Now, puts are on the right, calls are on the left. We see that coin is down right now, and I'm long. I want it to move up, and you can see it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands are in the white, and then we've got the 13-day and the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day is the yellow, and we're below that. So we're going to eventually move up, and I like the fact that it's at 168, and then my target is way up back up here at where it was at before at 280. So eventually it'll get up there. It's just a matter of time. So I'm going to sell put credit spreads until we get back up there. So puts are on the right, and that's a long strategy. You benefit when you sell options and benefit as the stock price moves up. So let's look at about the 25 delta. So that gives us basically a 75% chance of profit. We're going to click on the bid to sell the 145 put. And then I'm going to go $10 wide, so I'm going to buy the 135. This is protection. Should have dropped below that. Now, we're going to collect $2.95 for doing this. So almost a third the width of the strike. And again, you can see right here the 67% probability of profit. So, 2/3 of the time we're going to make money. And you know what? If it did move down, I would just roll to the next month. But you look right here, we're going to collect $290. The most we can lose, because it's $10 wide minus the $290, $710 max loss. So, but again, we're not going to lose, because if it moves down, we're going to roll out, and we're already at lows. So if you click now here on the curve mode, you can see the stock price is at 168, so it's way up here. We can move all the way down to the 145, and we still keep this $2.90. That's why our probability of profit is so high. And, it's better than 50-50. That's what I love about options. And if it does test it, if it were drop to zero, which is slim chance, but if they went out of business, you'd be stopped out at the 135. The max loss would be 710. So that's what's nice about it. but we can move down. Often I'll trade both sides, but because I'm long coin and it's down, I'm going to just do put spreads and keep doing those and rolling them every month until it comes up. I'll collect, $290, $300 every month until it goes up. And I typically roll if it moves up, or once we get down from the 45 days, anywhere in about 10 to 15 days, then I'll just roll to the next month and collect more premium. But that's how it works. If you have questions, let me know. You hit review and send and place the trade. All right, guys, I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment, ask a question. Let me know what you're trading. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.